In this lecture, you will learn how to use Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool to collect the top keywords of specific landing page. Go to adwords.google.com/keyword planner on your browser and sign in into Google. If you're logging into AdWords for the first time, then you will be asked your email address and your website. But pay attention here. You should not give these details to access Keyword Planner directly. You need to click on Skip the guided tour. Now you will be taken to another page where you will be asked your email, country, time zone, and currency. Choose them appropriately and click Save and Continue button. Now you can go to Tools in the menu bar and select Keyword Planner to access this tool directly. If you don't follow this procedure, then you might have to create your first AdWords advertisement and you need to give your payment information too before accessing Keyword Planner tool. To avoid this hassle, follow the procedure that's said earlier. Once you have entered into Keyword Planner tool, click on Search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category. First, let's enter brighthand.com under your landing page and then click Get Ideas. If Keyword Planner shows some error or no keywords, then make sure you have entered the full URL of the website along with www and http or https. Then move into Keyword Ideas. The thing is, this Google AdWords tool doesn't consider all of the pages on brighthand.com. It just extracts the keywords from the home page or the exact landing page of the URL you give here. So, these are the keywords that are related to the home page of the website brighthand.com. You can also see several high volume average monthly search keywords like best phone plans, iPhone 4S battery, etc. These keywords have an average monthly searches of around 10,000 to 100,000, but the competition is very high and you cannot compete for such broad keywords with high competition. So let's shortlist all those keywords which have got low competition with a reasonable volume. I recommend doing this only for websites that are starting out. If you have already got a website with a significant amount of backlinks or domain authority, then you can start with keywords having medium competition. To shortlist low competition keywords, click on Keyword Filters on the left panel and choose Low Competition. Then select Save. Now we have got all the keywords which have got only low competition. Also, you should be rational. That is, if the competition is low, it's because the average monthly searches are low. So now you should sort these keywords by average monthly searches in the descending order. We need only those keywords with competition low to zero as well as average monthly searches of at least 1000. But by default, Google will offer you the total list of keywords only, from which you can remove those keywords that you don't want. For example, you can delete all the keywords which have got average monthly searches less than 1000. To download this keyword list, click on Download button. You can either save them to Google Drive or you can download them as Excel, separated value, that is CSV format, We have got around 651 keywords in this Excel sheet. Let me format it as a table to easily remove the unwanted data. Now click on the competition column, go to number filters and select less than. In the dialog box, enter 0.2 and click OK. Now click on average monthly searches column and uncheck all the ranges below 1000 and click OK. Now we are left with 21 keywords. Mostly the resulting keywords would be long tail keywords. There are several advantages in using Keyword Planner compared to the earlier method. 1. Time consumption is less. That is, instead of collecting the keywords from 4 different SEO tools, you're getting keywords from a single tool. 2. Keyword Planner allows you to download the entire keyword list into Excel CSV format. So, it's easier to shortlist the keywords based on different criteria. 3. Above all, Keyword Planner is a free tool from Google itself. So, you get unlimited list of keywords, not just the top 5 or top 10, and they are all updated as well as recent. 4. The last benefit is that the entire process of keyword research ends here. You neither need to validate the keywords you have collected, nor you need to convert them from broad to long tail keywords, which is not the case with the previous technique using SEMrush, SpyFu, SimilarWeb, and Alexa tools. After learning all these advantages of Keyword Planner tool, you might ask me why I have suggested the previous techniques involving a lengthy process and premium SEO tools. Well, there's a reason for that, and I have mentioned it in the beginning of this lecture itself. Keyword Planner tool analyzes the content of the exact landing page you have given and not all the pages in the domain. Here we have got the keywords related to the home page of brighthand.com only and not the entire website. So, Keyword Planner is best suited when you want to find the low competition, top organic keywords of a best performing article or the home page of a website. If you repeat the process that we have done in this lecture for 5 to 10 other competitor websites, you will get around 100 to 200 low competition top organic keywords. You can use these keywords directly without validation while writing articles or posts or news or reviews based on them. The tools that we have seen till now are the most essential tools for keyword planning in your new website. But I wish to show you some other SEO tools for keyword research which you can use based on your preference. In the next lecture, you will learn to convert broad keywords into subtopics or topic suggestions.